In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Craigslist account. Whether you're using Craigslist for buying, selling, or just browsing through local listings, signing out is an important step in keeping your account secure. So let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Craigslist. You can do this by typing www.craigslist.org into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're on the Craigslist homepage for your specific area, as Craigslist organizes its listings and accounts regionally. Now, when you're on the Craigslist homepage, direct your attention to the top section of the page. Look for a link labeled Account. It's usually located at the top of the page along with other navigation options. This is the section where you can manage your account settings, including logging out. Once you've located and clicked on the account link, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you'll see various options related to your account, such as viewing your posts, editing details, and importantly, logging out. Keep your focus on the top right corner of this page. You should see an option labeled Log Out. Clicking on this will safely sign you out of your Craigslist account. It's as simple as that. By signing out, you ensure that your account remains secure, especially if you're accessing it from a shared or public computer. If you need to log back in, simply return to the Craigslist homepage and enter your login credentials. Remember, staying signed in on a public device can leave your account vulnerable to unauthorized access. Therefore, always make it a point to log out after you're done using Craigslist, particularly when you're not on a personal device. And there you have it. You now know how to sign out of your Craigslist account. This quick and straightforward process helps keep your account safe and gives you peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching and take care.